The ing form of the verb can be used like a noun. Here are some points to remember when using them as nouns. We can use ing forms as the subject or object of a sentence. Take a look at the following examples. Studying every day improves your English. I enjoy reading novels. In the first example, studying is used as a subject of the sentence, not the action. In the second sentence, it is the object or receiver of the action enjoy. What's your favorite hobby? Try making a sentence using an ing form as a subject or object and write it in the comments. After prepositions on, in, at, about, of, without, etc., we use the ing form of a verb. Look at these examples. She is good at writing essays. Instead of memorizing, try to understand the concepts. Complete the sentence, fill in the blank with an ing verb. Some verbs are always followed by an ing form. Some of these verbs are avoid, prevent, consider, finish, give up, imagine, involve, mind, practice, recommend, suggest, understand. Look at these examples. He avoided talking about the problem. I recommend studying for at least 30 minutes a day. She suggested going to the library for research. Which sentence is correct? Comment your answer below. Now let's talk about infinitives. An infinitive is the base form of the verb. It is usually preceded by to, but sometimes used without. Here are some points to remember about infinitives. We use infinitives after adjectives. Look at the following examples. It is important to practice writing every day. I am happy to help you. This topic is difficult to understand. Make a sentence with an adjective plus to infinitive. Some verbs are always followed by an infinitive. Common verbs are afford, agree, appear, arrange, ask, choose, decide, expect, hope, learn, manage, offer, plan, refuse, want. Look at these examples. I decided to take the IELTS exam next month. She hopes to travel abroad. They refused to answer the question. Which sentence is correct? Type your answer in the comments. We use infinitives to express the purpose of an action. Look at the following examples. I study hard to pass the IELTS exam. She left early to catch the train. He exercises regularly to stay healthy. Complete this sentence by writing your answer on the comment section. Today, we learned when to use ing forms and when to use infinitives. Here's a quick summary. Ing forms can be used as subjects/objects, after prepositions, and after certain verbs. Infinitives are used after adjectives, after certain verbs, and to express purpose. Now, it's your turn. Write a sentence using an ing form or an infinitive in the comments. I'll check and give feedback. If you like more content like this, you can check out my other videos here. See you in the next video. Bye.